Hi and welcome back to my channel. Today we will be doing two easy to do projects for the 4th of July. I know that it's very last minute and 4th of July is like in a day or two, or when it's posted maybe on the 4th. But I wanted to share a little DIY project. I made the wreaths in the past. I'm making a July 4th wreath for your door, and we have a big July 4th party every year. This year is a little different, obviously, but I still like to every year put something new to my decorations. So I will be working on a cute little centerpiece with these mason jars. They've already been spray painted. I will show you in the video on how to do that. And I'll be working on a wreath as well. So without further ado, let's get right into it. So I love the Dollar Tree, and I am there at least twice a week. And I'm always finding cute ways to decorate the house and make it look like it's not from the Dollar Tree. I was really excited to see these mason jars there. They're usually not $1, obviously. The lids, I already took them off. They're not for preserving. So, but I thought what a cute way to spice up our 4th of July party with these on the tables for centerpieces. So I grabbed 3 of my jars, and I also grabbed 2 of these bouquets. They have all blue, all red, all white, but I wanted a blend of them. And then I also really liked how these were glittered. I got rose ones, and then I got little carnation ones with the glittery stars as well. And then I also picked up, this is one of those balloon weights. They're the weights for the balloons. I already cut with the wire cutter. I plan on putting this one right in the middle, and the flowers on the outside. So you're going to check out how I spray painted the mason jars. I did find the spray paint at Walmart, and this is so simple and easy. All you need are wire cutters, spray paint, and you have a project done in less than $10 that can decorate at least 3 tables. So that's pretty cool. There are little lines on these. I'm going to go 2 from the bottom. I'm going to try 2 lines from the bottom as well from this. I might put some hot glue at the bottom so that they won't go all over the place. I also grabbed these. These are old. I believe they're from the Dollar Tree. You know that you can get, I think, a pack of a few of the flags just to have in here. So again, I go 1, 2, and clip. And I'm flying across the kitchen table. And also 1, 2. You could always put them on one table, spread them out. You know, if you have like a food table, or you know, your plates and napkins and utensils table, or you can put 1 at each table. I'm really excited. I'm going to use this on Saturday, but that's it. Nice and easy to do. So the jars were $3. Each bouquet was 1, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4. And then this was $1, the weight. So, and the flags, I think it's like a 3-pack for $1. So this project is less than $10. I think it was $9 altogether to make, or to buy everything. It was $9 to buy everything. So, the spray paint that I bought from Walmart, I also used for a different project that I'm going to show you. So all in all, great deal, and it makes it really cute. So let's get on to the
indigo at night, blasting playpen in the daytime. Goosebumps rise at 9 and settle back down at sunrise. Cut the cord at noon and say you'll be back soon. Tut-tut, no worries, please get back early. Head out with champagne and dresses and let's get girly. Tut-tut, no worries, please get back early. Head out with champagne and dresses and let's get girly. It's some booze fueled teenage ground, running from pub to club like bloodhounds, from 10 till 6 a.m. and no one knows how to stop them. Hold the drinks out one and help the one who's gone. Tut-tut, no worries, please get back early. Head out with champagne and dresses and let's get girly. Tut-tut, no worries, please get back early. Head out with champagne and dresses and let's get girly. Let's get girly. Girly. Let's get girly. Girly. With a hangover till 10 p.m. I'll send a girl at night, blasting playpen in the daytime. Goosebumps rise at 9 and settle back down at sunrise. Cut the cord at noon and say you'll be back soon. Tut-tut, no worries, please get back early. Head out with champagne and dresses and let's get girly. Tut-tut, no worries, please get back early. Head out with champagne and dresses and let's get girly. It's some booze fueled teenage ground, running from pub to club like bloodhounds, from 10 till 6 a.m. and no one knows how to stop them. Hold the drinks out one and help the one who's gone. Tut-tut, no worries, please get back early. Head out with champagne and dresses and let's get girly. Tut-tut, no worries, please get back early. Head out with champagne and dresses and let's get girly. Let's get girly. Girly. Let's get girly. Girly. With a hangover till 10 p.m. I'll say I'll never go again. Tut-tut, no worries, please get back early. Head out with champagne and dresses and let's get girly. Tut-tut, no worries, please get back early. Head out with champagne and dresses and let's get girly. Let's get girly. Girly.
So here we are, all finished. This beautiful wreath turned out pretty cool. I did paint the S. I didn't like the way that it like blended in I probably should have painted the S before I glued on the stars and on the wreath, but I was able to, you know, get around that. So if you intend to do the same thing, I would suggest painting first. Put some twine at the top so that it would hang beautiful. Nice little farmhouse style wreath, just in time for the 4th of July. Nice and easy DIY project. Both projects were about $20 to make, and voila. So I hope you enjoyed. I hope you enjoyed this video of these two nice and easy DIY projects. Go hit up your local Dollar Tree. I was there today. There were still some items that you can make the wreath, as well as these cute little mason jar decorations for your house. I'm not sure if you're having a party this year because it's a little crazy, but in the future, great DIY projects for a party. Also for Labor Day, Memorial Day, very patriotic. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed, and thank you so much for joining. Please be sure to click that subscribe button along with the like and share. Please share. I thank you so much for all the support, and I will see you next time. Bye.
Let's get girly.